Are personal injury lawyers expensive? You don't pay us out of pocket. You don't pay us when you first meet us. You only pay us if we win. You only pay us at the end of the case. So no, I don't think we're expensive. In fact, personal injury lawyers often use their own resources, our own money, on behalf of our clients in order to ensure that they have a good outcome with their case. So personal injury lawyers get paid on a contingency fee basis. That means we don't get paid unless we are successful on behalf of the client. Success measured by money. So if we get money for the client, we share in that recovery. Here in New York State, the judiciary law sets forth what our legal fee is. On a personal injury case, we're entitled to take up to 1/3 of the gross recovery. Of course, we get back our costs and disbursements as well. And that fee is a little bit different with medical malpractice cases. We have a sliding scale with respect to medical malpractice cases. And so typically the medical malpractice lawyer makes less money based on how much money he or she recovers for the client. Personal injury lawyers don't get paid until the end of the case, and only if they get money for their client. If we lose, or if we for some reason have a bad outcome where no money is recovered, the client owes the personal injury lawyer nothing. It's a no obligation commitment. In fact, the personal injury lawyer stands to lose his or her investment, and that cannot be billed back to the client. So it's a risk-free proposition. When someone is injured in an accident, they can hire a personal injury lawyer at no upfront cost. I don't hear about that type of arrangement too often, but I do know that there are some personal injury lawyers who do charge some type of upfront retainer or cash fee. If ever you're contemplating hiring a personal injury lawyer and the lawyer charges you upfront or asks you for money upfront, run for the hills. That is not the lawyer you want to work with. Personal injury lawyers should never ask their client for money out of their own pocket. It doesn't happen. I have never asked one of my personal injury clients for money out of his or her own pocket. I wait to get paid, and I don't get paid unless I get money for that person. So typically the best arrangement is when the insurance company issues the settlement check to both the client and the lawyer, so that no one party can go cash that check without the other knowing that the check is in. So we always ask for the checks that they be made payable to the personal injury law firm and to the client. We both endorse it. The check then goes into the escrow account, and then we disperse the funds to the client and to any other interested parties out of the escrow account. So it's a very transparent process. Well, I think that the arrangement whereby the lawyer defers payment until the end maybe rubs people the wrong way, because at the end of the case, a chunk of the money goes to the lawyer to represent his or her fee, but we have to get paid. In virtually all other contexts, the client is asked to pay the lawyer at the first meeting. And it's a really crazy business concept for personal injury lawyers like myself. I don't ask my clients for money. I only take my money when an insurance company writes a check to my client, and then I finally get paid. But my average case, I defer payment for 12, 24, 36 months. And while the case is ongoing, I'm investing my own money into my client's case to ensure that he or she has a good outcome. It's a no interest-bearing loan. You can't get that type of service anywhere else. I give my clients my money. I get paid back if I win, but if I don't win, I don't get my money back. Cost should never be the barrier for entry. So no person ever in the United States, in my opinion, who gets hurt should hesitate about hiring a personal injury lawyer, because it is our duty. It is our job. It is the reason we exist is to help people, and we do it with no expectation of payment up front.